So I have an Allegrini Palazzo Della Torre, which is a phenomenal Italian wine from Verona. It is mostly Corvina, which is a very large grape. They actually dry about 30% of the moisture out, and that leaves a very nice raisiny, figgy sweetness on the finish, but it opens up like a Chianti, very dry, a lot of tannins, kind of a ping pong match of balancing palates. Really phenomenal wine. And then I have a DaVinci Pinot Grigio and Chianti, fantastic vineyard. Been a co-op with a lot of families for hundreds and hundreds of years. If you want a Pinot Grigio or a Chianti from Italy from a family who knows what they're doing, this is a great option for you.